Nike Run Club is marketed as a free running app that supposedly helps you run farther and improve your fitness. But the real question is, what's actually special about it, or is it just another running tracker? Now, to be fair, there are plenty of running apps available today. Many can track distance, pace, and workouts. But Nike Run Club has built a loyal following by focusing on motivation and coaching rather than just statistics. What it does well, completely free to use. This is one of its biggest advantages. Many premium running features are available without requiring a subscription. Excellent guided runs. The app includes audio-guided workouts led by coaches, athletes, and trainers that can make running more engaging. Where the hype falls apart, it won't magically make you a better runner. This is the biggest issue. The app can provide guidance, but improvement still comes from consistent training. Some advanced analytics are limited compared to dedicated running platforms. The data and performance analysis may feel basic. GPS accuracy can vary, like most smartphone-based running apps. Tracking quality depends on your device and signal conditions. So, what's so special about Nike Run Club? Short answer. It's one of the best free running apps because it combines tracking, coaching, and motivation in a way that's accessible to almost everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.